Talking now about fittings. We saw already how to model and what are pipes and so on, but fittings are essentially. For instance, in order to move this pipe in a 90-degree angle, you will need a fitting which is called an elbow. You also need these suspenders right here. Also, you have valves, you have pipe measuring devices, you have plenty of other fittings, and we're going to see those here. Now, they are used to aid in the transport or transportation of fluids, typically made of steel if they are of steel, but of course they will depend on the material. They have several functions. I cannot tell you what's the function of a valve or a fitting and so on. They have plenty of functions, but essentially they are used in order to aid on transport fluid. The thing right here is that they have very large drop pressures or drop-in pressure, so we try to avoid fittings as much as possible. We only use the ones that are required. So what are fittings? Here are some fittings. This is the elbow, which I told you you need in order to change the direction of flow. You might also want to join two pipes into a T, maybe it is cross-sectional or T right here. You also have several modifications, expander, or what else do we have here? Well, essentially those are the ones I wanted to show you. These are T's and elbows. You have plastic materials, you have copper, you have plastics, PVC for instance, and you also have the steel. Now let's talk about valves, and we have plenty of valves. The most common ones are gate, butterfly, and the ball, as well as the globe. So here are some of them. The globe one is very easy to work with. It actually uses a globe in order to join this section of the valve right here with this section. So as you rotate the valve, it increases, so it allows fluid to flow here. Now the gate valve, as the name implies, it's a gate, so it closes and opens. So this is so very easy to imagine. It goes up and down, goes up and down. If it goes up, water flows. If it goes down, water will not flow. Now the ball, I actually prefer to use this one right here because you have a small ball. Right now we cannot see it, but inside here there's a ball. Half of the ball will allow flow rate and the other half will not allow it. You have also plug. As the name implies, you have a plug which directly opens and closes the intersection. And butterfly, it is called butterfly because it has these little wings which will move. You can move them and it will rotate 90 degrees, so water will flow through this side and this side, or you can close it right here.